Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, this is a 11-11 reading, okay? So this is a wonderful angel number and I hope this reading is mag-resonate po sa inyo, lalo na't maganda, lalo na't punong-puno ng blessing, abundance. Hopefully, yun yung lalabas ngayon, okay? So, reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po. So, pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And, although, nirecord natin to sa araw ng 11-11, ng November 11, 2023, pero kung kailan mo to napanood, kahit anong araw, buwan o taon, as long as mag-resonate po sa inyo, take nyo lang po, okay? So, ang ating channel din po ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT man yung nanonood. And yung mga taong dinidil nyo, take nyo lang kung mag-resonate. Pag hindi, huwag pong ipilit. Okay? So, ano po ang message po ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito? Ano po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Okay? Oh, wow. Three of Cups. Water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay. So, ano kaya? There's a salo-salo celebration, Pisces. Lalo na't hindi siya naka-reverse. Kasi, pag reverse kasi medyo hindi kagandahan. Mostly third party, like this and like this. Okay? Pero this is a celebration. Happiness, salo-salo, drinking. Okay? Or pwedeng occasion. Ooh. Two of wands. Okay, so there's a planning Pisces for you, especially lalo na't merong salo-salo or pwedeng merong mag-e-invite sa'yo Pisces or pwedeng there's a planning na magta-travel. And, wow! Bottom of the deck is Six of Cups. Okay, so there's an emotional, nakikita nyo, there is someone, it's either you Pisces, as I said kanina, or pwedeng there is someone na pwedeng long distance kayo, okay, lalo na meron tayo ditong globe, and nakatingin siya dito sa Three of Cups, salo-salo, okay, gatherings, kumbaga quality time, bigla ko naisip yung word na quality time, and meron siyang dalang cup. Okay? For maybe this is you Pisces and this person is ito. Okay? Or pwedeng vice versa po. Ikaw to and this person is your loved one Pisces. Okay? And meron kang ibibigay sa niya. Pwedeng meron kang ibibigay na flower. Okay? Pwedeng ibibigay na something na emotional kasi lalo na cups dito, and ito yung magagamit nyo sa pagsalo-salo. Ito yung magagamit nyo sa kasiyahan na darating or pinaplano ng taong to. Okay? So, wow! Sobrang ganda for the reading for 11-11. Ano pa po ang mensahe nyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Seven of Swords. Okay. So, this situation right here is ito yung parang magbibigay ng parang clarification. Ito yung magbibigay ng something na parang validation, Pisces, na everything will be okay, or tatanggalin ng taong to na yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga hindi kagandahan na mga naiisip, okay? Pwedeng prone ka sa overthinking, Pisces. Pwedeng prone ka sa mga anxiety, hindi makatulog, emotional masyado, okay? Pwedeng ganun. Pero there is something again, planning or traveling towards you na magiging maganda yung outcome. Maganda yung intention ng taong to is, and this person or you Pisces is dahan-dahang tatanggalin yung mga nagbibigay ng kalungkutan. Lalo na especially sa emotional and more on mental, okay? As I said kanina, pwedeng overthinking, emotional masyado, madaling maiyak, okay? Or anxiety, or doubting to a person, okay? So, kahit ano pong oh. And Queen of Pentacles. Okay, you will see your value, Pisces. You will um feel na ito yung deserve kong treatment. Ito yung nararapat para sa akin, and I claim this, I attract this kind of uh, beautiful relationship pwede, or beautiful situation, lalo na sa mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo. Pwedeng friends, pwedeng workmates, pwedeng family member. Okay? Kumbaga bigla ko naisip yung parang tatatratuhin na. I'm so sorry, hindi ko maano uh, yung word. Pero I hope na ano nyo po, tatatratuhin ka ng maayos. Okay? Pasensya na po talaga. Pero I hope na ano nyo po yung word na magiging maayos na yung trato nila sa'yo. Okay? Magiging maayos. Kumbaga, this person will realize na you deserve something better. You don't deserve na mag-overthink, na maging mag-emotional breakdown, mag-anxiety, okay? Hindi makatulog. You don't deserve that kind of situation, Pisces, okay? And this person will take a step para iparamdam sa'yo na everything will be okay. Iparamdam niya sa'yo yung pagmamahal niya. Pwedeng this person is a new person, or pwedeng ito ay current na kaano mo ngayon, okay? Karelasyon, okay? Pwede mga kaibigan mo, group of friends, or yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, family or workmates, okay? Oh, Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck is Ace of Wands, Pisces. Nakikita nyo, this person, ito yung may hawak. Ito siya. Okay? And again, pwedeng malayo, long distance kayo kasi meron tayo ditong parang river. Okay? And pwedeng sa kabila siya nakatira or ikaw. Okay? And meron din dito. Okay? So, this person, bigla ko na will move mountains for you, Pisces. Okay? Lahat ng bagay gagawin niya para sa'yo. Parang ipaglalaban ka ng taong to. Okay? He or she knows your value. You deserve something wonderful, okay? And kumbaga, marirealize mo din, Pisces, na this is what kind of relationship situation na deserve mo. Okay? Kumbaga, both of you is parang marirealize nyo na ganito dapat. Okay, hindi yung ganito na situation. Okay, hindi yung ganitong nag-overthink ka, umiiyak ka sa gabi, nagda-doubt ka, ganito, ganyan, okay? Ito yung deserve mong situation, Pisces. Relationship, friendship, family, okay? Ganito. This is one that you deserve in your life, okay? So, there is someone, it's either you, Pisces, or someone na malapit sa buhay mo ang magte-take ng action. He or she will move mountains for you. Okay? Wow. Sobrang ganda for 11-11 reading, Pisces. And wow, we claim this kind of energy, Pisces. Sobrang ganda. Pwedeng ito, again, family, relationship, loved ones, boyfriend, girlfriend, asawa, or workplace, okay? So, sobrang ganda. And kuha tayo ng mga initials, okay? Or random words kung sino, or ano po ang konektado sa reading ni Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? There's a letter J, okay? There's an M, and there's an H. M, J, H. Meron pa letter C. Okay. Abroad, yes, there's an abroad, overseas. Conversation. Mayaman, dark hair. Motor. Kamag-anak, yes, pwedeng merong family member na involved. And letter. Pangarap. Maliit ang ilong, anak, may dimple, and keep moving forward. Okay? Keep moving forward to a better situation, Pisces. Okay? So, yun lang po ang ating reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan nyo po. Huwag nyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!